This road used to be 55 miles an hour. Back when Deal's Gap was 55 miles an hour, this road was 55 miles an hour. Do you know how cool it is when you're in a curve completely leaned over with your knee puck on the pavement and your speedometer is at like 53 miles an hour and there's nothing the cop can do? I've met cops on this road and on 28. Where I've had a knee down and not even doing the speed limit. And to make matters even funnier, they've turned on their radar unit to clock me. But that's all changed. Things were different 20 years ago. Now all those roads are like 30 and 35 miles an hour. It's no longer camp happy fun time, as George Foreman would say, as Red Foreman would say. Red Foreman. George Foreman was the boxer. Don't call the kid's name George. All right. Wayah is closed. That's the top of the mountain where we just passed. That dirt road takes you to the top of the mountain. Now we're on the other side. We're going to head for Andrews. I might do this again tomorrow. They had a shelf full of gloves at the Harbor Freight. I should say they had a shelf full of large gloves. They didn't have any other size except large. I bought 4 boxes. I'd probably go back tomorrow and buy another 4 boxes. If it's not raining. The weather's supposed to get bad further on this week. My Mini Cooper needs a new timing chain. I'm considering doing that this weekend. Then my car will be dependable again. Once that timing chain's on it, it becomes an outside car, and I'll go get my 370Z and park it back in the garage. I've got that in the garage in our house next door. Shooting range. Hey, if you guys are coming to the mountains in 2026, hit me up on my YouTubes. Leave a comment below. I usually get my comments. I usually get some kind of pop-up for my comments on YouTube. Or you can hit me up on Ride WNC, Ride Western North Carolina, ridewnc.com.net. Maybe we can hook up and go get a hamburger or something. Or if you need some motorcycle tires, I'm doing motorcycle tires for the general public again. I knocked off for a few years. But I've already done about 4 sets of tires this year for people. I think it's going to be a good year for motorcycle tires. And we just made it through February. I've done 4 sets of tires. And that's just pretty much from word of mouth. And yes, you can get your motorcycle tires from Rocky Mountain ATV and MC and have them shipped to my house, or you can do it through Amazon.com. I see Amazon's got a lot of good deals on motorcycle tires if you haven't shopped for motorcycle tires on Amazon. I did notice they have the Michelin Pilot Powers for about $270. The Pilot Power, not the Pilot Power 2CT, but the regular Michelin Pilot Power is the absolute best tire up here. The 2CT with that softer compound on the edges, you destroy the edge of the tire way too quick. When those first came out, I think we were busting through those tires about every 1,000 miles. I have the Pilot Power, or I'm sorry, I have the Pilot Road 5s underneath me right now. And it is one confidence, awe-inspiring tire. Every tire Michelin makes is just amazing. On my sport bikes, I've been running the Dunlop Road Sport 2s. I think I have 3 or 4 sets of those left. Those should be gone by summertime. Then I'm going to go back to the Michelin Pilot Powers. I remember loving them, and then they discontinued them and went to the 2CT. And the 2CT was just bad. There's a lot of dirt in these turns. I hope you guys are noticing that. It looks like they put some gravel down on some of the curves. It looks like they put gravel down on the edge of the road and never smoothed it out. But this road's really dirty. Considering how much rain we've had lately. See, look at all gravel. Yeah. Yeah, they filled in the holes in the curve. And the locals up here, they don't know how to ride. They don't know that you're not supposed to cross over the double yellow line and the solid white line. Is that waterfall? Isn't that waterfall cool? They don't have stuff like that where you're at. I'm guessing they don't have roads like this where you live either. Imagine blowing a turn, low siding your bike and sliding into the mail lady. Ugh.